Morning, folks. A quick crypto video. We are in a long XMR BTC. Why? Because it's the weekend, and we have established that we are in an energy harvesting facility. So we spent the entire week giving energy to this system and our time, and we intend to give all of our profits back this weekend by trading on the weekend at the worst possible time. This way we can doubly lose our energy on this game. That's all this place is. It's an energy harvesting facility in the sky, on the ground, and in these various different realities. If we don't play the game, the energy will not be harvested, and the business or the theme or the story or the narrative will go because we don't energize it. Now, this is one of the reasons I'm seriously considering that none of any of this is actually real, because we've harvested the opposition to the convid. We harvested it by going along with it, just like the people who harvested it by going along with the mainstream narrative from the beginning. If none of us did any of this, then none of it would be happening. So, unfortunately, if we don't do this, somebody else will, and we've already harvested 15 years of our lives into this. So we are going to choose the evil path and continue on with this route. However, my intentions are to show people how to do this to the point they're not going to waste so much time and energy on it. And that's how I'll be able to give back. So anyway, how are we doing this? Well, BTC is, well, we already know that we have to go with the dollar first, right? The dollar's in an up, so we don't want to be buying this, obviously. BTC is weak, and last night it was about here. Relative to everything else, it's weaker than Doge. It's about the same, a little stronger than XRP. It's about the same. No, XRP is a little stronger than BTC. OMG is about the same. Little stronger OMG is. EOS is stronger. LTC relative to this is stronger. So an LTC BTC trade would work, but that's all your profit. You don't have a lot of profit in it, right? So there's no point in doing that. And XMR is the strongest one because this is the level, right? The two levels are combined, tightening it up, meaning we're only allowed to buy. That was last night, and that was our entry somewhere here. And we're going to hold that until this says otherwise. If this is a fake move up and drops because dollar is strong, then in order to stay in this, what we want to see is BTC making lower lows and XMR going lower but slower and really struggling, while this is smoothly falling. Then we hold. If we see this speed up and BTC start holding, then we'll exit. else is there to do here? They're really, I mean, everything should be short from this false move higher. You could probably go ahead and sell the XMR here, as collectively it's down. But I don't really want to do it because it's too tight. Find something else like this one. Yeah. Where's the dollar index? Bring that up. Here it is. Second. Let's see where it's gone. I was looking at that earlier. Where the hell's it gone? Am I staring at it? Oh, here. Got it. So this is not played out yet, whereas it's playing out here because this is Saturday. This is Friday. There is no Saturday trade on dollar. So we'll go to the previous levels, right? We'll go. We have to use the same ones. 1, 2. So 1, 2. Dollar is weaker, right? So what I'm seeing here is a range for dollar and then up. So that's going to allow the cryptos to go up and down this weekend. So a short here looks like a nice idea, but the fact that this is going to allow us to range means any excuse to jump, to go up, I think the crypto will take it this weekend if there's an opportunity. On a technical perspective, we should see some sort of up move. We know that we do have some energies coming in here. On the Monday. Okay. Now, when's the new moon? I think it's the 16th. But there's eclipse. You don't want to miss this. Second. First quarter, next phase, April 30th. So yeah, right. Okay, here. So today it's new moon, April 30th. Full moon's the one though that causes the biggest moves, but this will give us some energy. So yeah, we have permission to be doing a long if we can find an opportunity. I wanted to show the weekly perspective also. Do have a problem with that though. The reason is because we can't see back on Doge. Okay. We can see back on LTC and the other ones, but there's a few which we can't see back on. So I think how we're going to do this is try to we can get as many as we can. So if we can find a bias for one side on the highest time frame, which I'll tell you now, I've already done it. It's monthly up. They're all up versus the dollar on monthly. So we are looking to be buyers very soon in this. But we've got to wait for the dollar to prove itself. to have some sort of a show its reversal. Yet it hasn't showed its hands yet, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, that's the video. I'll come back if I find another trade for you guys. At this point, I'm just really waiting here for an opportunity. Basically, the first opportunity I want to take is a sell here, but be prepared if we see something saying that this is now stronger relative to something else, then I'll be exiting and buying this one. Or XMR USD is the preferred trade, obviously. But yeah, that's the video, guys. Thanks a lot.